Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna dive into in today's video. You have to get a beautiful cutout in this manner. Now get a beautiful green sheet like this, plain sheet of this color, then turn them up around the corners and making the lines as well. Further you have to create them in this way, and then what are we gonna do next? From the bottom as well you have to draw the same structure. Then from the back side you need to roll the sheets again together in this way so as to make it look like a beautiful frog. Paste the eyes and then the claws and all. This is gonna look your hop frog. Now here get a sheet, you have to fold them along the lines and keep on creating the lines like this. Let's see what are we gonna do. You have to cut it from the top and get it made in this form. Further you have to get them pretty made into this structure and get them made like this. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here you have to just fold the sheets in this manner and let them hold like this. Then from the top you need to fold it in this way, and then from the bottom side and to the another side you have to create it in this manner. Just join them together and your miniature belly is ready. Further here get the circular sheets and then you have to arrange it in a pyramid shape like structure, one over the other, and then make it look like this. Here also you have to get a cardboard sheet and then cut it into the form of a triangle. Further you have to paste that pattern on it. Now here get a sheet again and then you have to make the lines and creases and folds in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. From either side you have to fold it like this, get them made into this structure, and this is gonna look beautiful. You have to get the shape of a pretty heart like shape and patterns, and this is yet amazing. Keep on proceeding and let's see again what are we gonna do next. You just have to keep on getting the sheet and then folding it along the lines, making it into a beautiful designer shape like this, and then getting it arranged in this manner. This is pretty, isn't it? You have to make the flip-flap wings of a butterfly, and this is gonna look absolutely adorable, isn't it? This is gonna look cute. Now here again what are we next doing? You just have to get them arranged in this manner so as to make it look like this. Keep on proceeding further, again get a sheet, fold them into a structure like this, and then from the corners you need to get a cutouts in this manner. Now again what are we up to? You just have to get the folds along the lines and get these beautiful lovely flowers made into the form of a bouquet. This is gonna look pretty, isn't it? Now get a cello tape and paste it along the bow. This is gonna look beautiful. Further here get the earbuds. You just have to paste them together and then create beautiful and awesome patterns of snow. This is gonna look further amazing. I hope guys you have enjoyed our video. Thank you so much.